This is the most immortal building in the world that has burned down multiple times and still remain standing. We visited the Todaiji Temple in Nara, Japan, and it has survived for over 1,000 years, not because of its wood or engineering, but because of one thing: the cultural will to rebuild it. Every time it burned, the Japanese didn't mourn, they reconstructed, because they believed the building belonged to everyone. Most structures are designed for completion. Todaiji was designed for continuity. Remembering that here in the Philippines, we build bahay na bato that crumbled with no one to repair them. We erect impressive chapels on opening day, abandoned 5 years later. Grand gates for subdivision no one feels ownership over. What keeps a building alive is not cement, kundi ang pakiramdam ng mga tao na sa kanila ito. Architecture becomes immortal when it carries a shared story, when people feel like they built it, owned it, and have a reason to protect it. So before you groundbreak, don't just ask, will this last? Ask, will people want to keep this alive? Bakit ba tayo nagpapatayo? Para sa sarili o para sa susunod na henerasyon? Follow Architect Brendan and Rufa for more conversation like this.